Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. फ्रेंड्स, अभी हमको दो टाइप के सिनारियोज दिख रहे हैं. ऑन द वन साइड वी आर सीइंग दैट स्टॉक मार्केट इज एट ऑल टाइम हाई. Most of the companies are performing good, they are showing good quarterly numbers, and there is a enthusiasm between the investors in general. But on the other side, if you see the yesterday's news, in business line there was a mention that there is at least 1200 COVID hit small businesses, they are up for sale. In another news, you can see that the standing instructions or the EMI bounce rate has gone up like anything. It is almost at 35%. So this is a clear cut dichotomy. ये क्लियर कट विरोधाभास है जहाँ पे एक साइड इकोनॉमी इतना प्रोमिसिंग फ्यूचर दिखा रही है और दूसरी तरफ हमारे स्मॉल बिजनेसेस, एसएमईज, they are facing the tough time. So friends, I am not here to bring more negativity. I am here to talk about few of the positive aspect, how one can look at these kind of scenarios. Especially I will talk from the point of view of small and medium sized companies. So I know most of these companies are facing such problems. The main problem is relating to the cash flow, relating to the funding. So how to solve such problem. ये प्रॉब्लम ऐसा है कि इसको आसानी से सॉल्व नहीं किया जा सकता है, एंड कंपनीज हैव टू लुक एट इट इन डिटेल about their business plan, about their approach. So there could be two categories of companies: companies who have good track record of profitability and growth, and companies who doesn't have that kind of track record. So for the companies who have good track record, for them there could be various options. They can find investor, they can go for SME listing, they can find various alternative ways to raise funds or increase their cash flow and keep them afloat. But friends, the scenario is not good for other type of companies, and which is major part in today's environment. So most of the companies are bleeding, they are making losses. It has been more than 1 year since they are facing such problem. So what next? What are there for these kind of companies? So my suggestion would be simple. You have to look at it how you can minimize your loss. How can you bring your losses to the minimum extent? Can you look at removing some of your loss managing segment of your business temporarily? Once the situation improves, you can get back to your original business plan and you can include this kind of segment in your overall business plan. Other thing could be how you can increase your top line without increasing much of the cost. So few of the alternative could be you can sell your product services online, or if your product is good, you can ask for franchisee option or joint venture where you don't have to incur any fixed cost right away, but you can increase your cash flows, though you share your margin with somebody else, but at least it gives you some amount of cash flow to meet your regular day-to-day fixed expenses. Again, you can go and talk to your bank about restructuring your loan or about deferment of your interest payment. If there is any scheme which is available, you can take advantage of those. So friends, it is very easier to say this. As a consultant, I can say that, but those who are really facing this, those entrepreneurs who are facing this day in day out, for them it is very difficult scenario. and I would urge government to look at the sector which are in much stress, like hospitality, travel tourism, mall business, retail business. These are the businesses who has got maximum amount of stress, and government should come up with some amount of stimulus packages for these kind of industry. They can also give some leeway in compliance, like filing their GST return or filing their income tax return. Though certain measures have been announced by the government, but I still feel there is lot more to be done. And I really feel for this kind of small businesses. If you need anywhere my assistance, please reach out to me. I am more than happy to help you guys. Whatever extent I can help you, I can support you, I can advise you, I can guide you in your business plan. I would be happy to do that. So please take care of your families and stay safe. Thank you so much.